Hey, nice digs, huh?
You again? No. What do you want?
You left your doggy bag. There's more than enough. If you want company, we could stick.
Sorry, I've got a kid.
I'm good with. She's got a kid.
Thanks, cow!
What did he do? Follow you home?
Please don't encourage him.
Angel.
You can talk? He can stand.
Holy dogs, actually. I'm Char.
What's going on here? And I want the
Truth? I'm an yourself.
Come on. Somebody's playing the best trick I've ever seen. I do magic too.
How can I do this?
Can I forget?
Hey, Charlie, you used up your miracle, and that was supposed to be for an emergency. Seemed like an emergency to me.
No.
David, Canary Square. Sounds like a good plan to me.
What? Don't listen to him.
I'm going.
Don't you mean...
Yeah, Canary.
She's
How far is it?
a lot closer than you think. Nervous?
A little. And sweaty. A little.
Well, don't be.
Excited?
Now, Charlie.
It's okay.
The kids make kids out of his way. You
I've got the D.
his dues are paid. Milk and
Life.
Charlie, I hope you know what you're doing.
Enjoy the...
milk and honey.